Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a time when you had to wait in a long line. Any line in front of any place, cinema ticket or bank or any other place. When it was past tense, and by the way, when you had to wait means past tense. So your topic is totally in past. When it was, how long the queue or line was, how long. Now you can say there were 100 people. Don't say the line was 500 meters long because you didn't measure that. So you can say there were 200 people in front of me or something like that. What it was about means why there was a queue, the reason for the queue, and how you felt about waiting in this long queue. So your feelings, okay? So you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Nobody likes to wait in long queues, but there are always long queues in Pakistan due to overpopulation. Let me tell you about my experience. My experience was terrible. I had to run some errands, so I had to go to the shopping mall, the grocery store, I'm sorry. Due to COVID, there was a strict lockdown and all the other shops were closed except the pharmacy and groceries. So there was a huge queue which I had to wait in, and I felt very exhausted. At this hot summer day, I couldn't bear the heat and got lucky to be the last person. Those who were behind me were sent off because I was the last person, and I got the things.
Okay, 54 seconds. Right, when it comes to IELTS speaking, you always have to speak a little more, and when you maintain good eye contact with the examiner, by the way, examiner will not let you stop at 54 seconds. They will just do like this and you speak a couple of sentences and then it will be better. This is far better than before. Right, so just keep it up. Okay. Now overall you spoke well. I found few grammatical mistakes, but apart from that it was quite good. Just focus your fluency and connectivity of your ideas. Let's go on. What do people like to do while waiting in line?
People like to listen to the music and play some video games on their phone, and they can do anything on their phone, anything that has to do with the phone.
Okay. Do people in your country often wait in queue?
Yes, in Pakistan there is a huge problem of long queues due to overpopulation, as I mentioned before. So they have to wait for long queues in shopping malls, cinemas, offices and everywhere else.
Alright, so you can use the word long queue. Huge queue is not better. You can say big crowd, or there was a big crowd in the queue, like that. Okay, do you think the development of technology has reduced the time people have to wait in queues?
I think yes, but in Pakistan people rely on foot rather than on online shopping because the scam they get from online. They get something else when they order something else, so they prefer on foot shopping rather than.
Yeah, it's one is online and one is not on foot shopping. We use some other word for that, right? You can just say shopping physically or on shop shopping or on mall shopping, right? Like on that.
Spot,
on spot shopping, you can say that also. Overall, it's good. For part 3, just add some more sentences and speak confidently without any breaks. At present, I'll give you 6, but you have the ability to make it even better, right?
I will try.
Thank you.